Snapchat loves a good story, but it's not going to be too keen on this one.
Snapchat has a branding problem.
Once darling of the tech startups, the smiles are gone now. Snapchat's parent company, Snap, announced its first decline in daily active users from 191 million to 188 million, and losing ground to a bitter rival. And that rival, Instagram. 400 million people a day using its stories feature. That is double the amount using Snapchat. Remember, Instagram is owned by Facebook, which tried to buy Snap for a reported $3 billion. And Snap said no chance. Do you think in retrospect they wish they'd said yes?
I think there is a definite argument in that case. I mean, the major shareholders came out very well when the IPO happened. They sold some stock to get a significant amount of money in liquid cash. But yeah, I think it would have been a lot easier for Snapchat to sustain its growth as a company if they were part of the Facebook umbrella.
Could she be to blame for Snapchat's woes? The reality TV star Kylie Jenner. She's one of the Kardashians, and she's a major Snapchat user. But when she tweeted to her then 24 million Twitter followers this question, so does anyone else not open Snapchat anymore, or is it just me? This is so sad.
If one person like a Kardashian leaves, then suddenly millions of people leave. That is very influential. I mean, that can really plummet the stock.
Snapchat was left feeling sad too. More than $1 billion wiped off its market value. So let's say Snapchat comes to you, they say, we need to turn this around. What kind of advice would you give them?
I would work with them on defining the purpose again. What is the mission of the brand, right? What does the brand stand for? What are shared values that customers can get around again?
But Snap is still bringing the money in, not least a recent investment of $250 million from a Saudi prince. That is a serious amount of money. There's got to be something there worth buying, right?
I mean, Snapchat has a very young user base, which is valuable because this kind of consumer is often hard to reach through traditional linear TV and other advertising media. And also, there's a lot of money in Saudi Arabia, a lot of desire to get into the entertainment and media space. So why not Snap?
So Snap down, but not out, at least not yet. This story, its story, to be continued. Phil Lavelle, CGTN, Los Angeles.